We are so tired.
Till now, I had not told you guys that.
Adventurous flight.
I miss Hyderabad from second day.
So many new things are happening with us.
Oh my god.
Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to the continuation of the previous vlog. So guys, today we are finally meeting the bride and there is one small event in a Tamil culture, so that is called as Pen Alapai. So I'll mark it somewhere here. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. So we are getting ready to go to meet her. So it's now 2 o'clock and we have got lunch from her place. So here we have the lunch and we still have to get ready. So we will have our lunch and then we'll start getting ready. So today we are gonna be again in a traditional attire. So I'm wearing this dress. This dress I'm wearing, this is from Libas and it is a gift from my friends, and here are the jewelry. And yes guys, so guys, as I was talking about the Tamil tradition wedding, Pen Alapai is one of the custom where the groom's parents go to the bride's house and take her along with them before the before the wedding day. So that is gonna be like a really emotional moment for a bride. So this vlog is gonna be continuation vlog from today evening to tomorrow afternoon till her wedding is done. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching. I hope you guys will stay tuned and watch this video. Hey guys, we got ready and we are all set to go, and we had our lunch like I showed you guys already. So now it's time to go and I'm all set. Let me call my friend Priya. She's asking me not to talk to her in the vlog. I don't know why none of my friends talk in vlogs. Why? My roommates, they also don't talk. Priya, she doesn't talk. I don't know why my friends doesn't talk. Not talk. Okay, guys, we both are ready. Stay tuned. We'll go there and meet you guys. See ya. Oh, she finally spoke. Wow. Okay, guys. Bye bye. Hey guys, small update. We have been ready since 4 o'clock and now it's almost 6:45 and we are still in room. We have got an update that we have to wait for the bus. The bus is coming to take us. Us means me, Priya, and groom side family. So groom is not gonna join us because of some tradition. So let's wait. We are so tired. Getting ready and waiting is not our cup of tea. I hope girls can relate to this. But yes, once the bus is here, we are going near Kanmani. Okay guys, we got the call from the groom that to come down and the bus is here. So we are ready. Priya, are you excited?
Yes. Let's go.
Let's go. Can't wait to see our bride. Oh my god. Groom is here. How are you feeling?
So excited.
Is it?
Yes.
Nice. Sorry?
Waiting from a long time for this moment.
Butterflies. Oh, nice. Guys, groom is with us, but bride is not. Let's go. He's excited. We are also excited. Let's go. We reached the location and we are going from groom side and not bride
Groom
side.
duties.
Yeah, groom duties, not bride duties. She'll kill us. How are you feeling?
I'm so nervous.
nervous.
Kanmani is crying, guys. Hi, bro. We are back from Kanmani's place, and it's already 2 o'clock now. And I almost forgot to vlog because everything was running, like all emotional things were running. So now I'm not sleeping. Even Priya is not sleeping. But Kanmani and her friends are slept. And here is a beauty madam doing her work. And I am doing my work. So now we have to get ready because, as I told you guys, Muhurtam is at 4:30. So yeah, and also I made my nails. I got this from Meesho, guys. If you want the link, just let me know. Now let's drape sari. I'll show you guys which sari I bought, but after some time, of course. Hey guys, good morning. So this is my sari, and it is a Mysore silk sari. I got it from my sister, and here are the jewelries and bangle. So I'll just get ready and meet you guys. So guys, we are all ready for the wedding, and bride is getting ready. And this is what I've done with my hairstyle because it's so hot here. We can't just leave hair and go off. So I have done a bun, messy kind of bun. So this is my sari. I'll show you guys my outfit later, but now we are a little busy. So that's a small update. Stay tuned. Good morning. You're sleepy still. But you look pretty.
Not more than you.
Shut up.
Showing you.
I just hope this stays till the end of the wedding.
Show me your hair. Nice.
Are you? Are you Kanmani?
Yes. It's shivering now.
How are you feeling, bro? This is the big day. It's okay. We have entered the venue of the wedding. So wedding is gonna be in a temple. So we are in temple now, and after the wedding, reception will be there in a hall. So we are going there. So first, let's attend her big day, which is wedding, which we are waiting from such a long time. So that day is finally here. I am so happy to be the part of this thing. So yes, let's ask Priya how she feels about it. So, bro, are you happy?
Yes.
We were waiting from like last year September, right?
Yeah.
From September we are into like pella avutadi, and finally it's happening. So much
Feels
excitement.
unreal. At the same time, it's like finally she's getting married. So it's all like mixed emotions.
We are happy and sad. Sad because she will not hang out with us
Anymore.
so that is the sad
Let's see.
part. Yeah, let's see. time has finally come.
Kanmani is married.
Wow, it was so good to see.
Yes.
The
She as a
whole-
bride. We only
Yeah.
imagined her like that, but today seeing her like that, it was all teary and emotional.
So good, so good. Still the goosebumps is going on seeing her like that. We used to see her always in jeans, hoodies,
Yes.
t-shirts.
Typical tomboy.
Tomboy. True that. Oh my god, this is what? Dreamy.
Yeah. It
Two
was like
states, guys.
Yeah.
Till now, I had not told you guys that, but it's a two-state wedding. The guy is from Andhra and she is from Tamil Nadu, and it's so good.
Yes. So love finally wins.
Yes, guys. Guys, couple is finally here. We are going to reception hall and we are gonna have breakfast there, guys. We are fully hungry. Yes, we are so hungry. Hi guys, we are back from the wedding and we came around 2 o'clock. Now it is 7. We slept like babies. It was such a good sleep. We came, we took shower and we slept, and it was really a good sleep. Madam is still in bed. But we ordered some food because we were starving, and here everything closes by 9 o'clock. So that is it for the update, guys. So bride is gonna come here today and stay with us. Chal. Wow, looks good. This is our dinner. This is also our dinner. So let's eat it. Bride after the wedding is here. Show me the touring. Show me the touring. Nice. Hey guys, good morning and thank you for staying till now in this vlog, because this vlog is full of cut and pieces. So first was the Penelope, then was the wedding day, and now it's the next day. So good morning to you all and thank you for stopping by for so far. So guys, small update. Yesterday I couldn't vlog because I was so tired. We just came and we slept off. As I told you guys, we had some good food which we weren't expecting that Tamil food would be so good and we would like it, and but it was so good. And then Kanmani came to the room, so she stayed with us yesterday, and today is our journey day, and we have our flight at 4:45 from Tirchi. So again we have to travel from Pattukottai to Tirchi, which takes 2 hours, and we are going along with Kanmani with her husband's side family, because Kanmani is also traveling to Rajahmundry and her flight is also at 4:50, which is similar time. So we are leaving together. So it takes 2 hours, right? So we have to leave very early because you guys have seen Hyderabad to Tirchi travel. It was one of the adventurous flight which I had in my whole life. So that should not be the case now. So that is why we are leaving early, most probably. So I'll take you guys along with me. Our flight is at 4:45 and it has a 3-hour layover in Bangalore. We'll be reaching Hyderabad at 10:30 because of the layover, guys. So it's gonna be a very long day. I'll continue this vlog till I reach Hyderabad airport. We are all ready to go and bus has come, and first thing is we are going to Kanmani's place to pick her up from the same bus, and still packing is there. So this towel I have to keep inside and I have to take charger. Priya is also all ready. So yes, let's pack everything and get going. Let me show you guys my outfit. So this is what I'm wearing. This has a dupatta as well. So again we are in tradition attire, guys. So stay tuned. Let's go and I'll shake you guys along with me. So bus is here and luggage is also packed. Let's go. Guys, we reached Kanmani's home. Hi uncle. He's Kanmani's dad. Kanmani's Akka is here, and it's me. Kanmani's dad. Hi, uncle. Hi, Salanga.
Bye.
Thank you. Oh, there they are. We are exploring Kanmani's backyard with her favorite hens. There is a wow giant jackfruit tree. Oh my god. She had given us this once, so the taste was so good. Oh my god. So many jackfruits. Very nice. What else? I think this is a drumstick. This one. That is mango. Curry. Okay, this is curry leaves. Oh, she has a dog as well.
Is it? Look at him. He's guarding him down.
Okay, Sandeep has requested me to take video. See this side.
About the Tiruchi airport, not about me. Okay. Miscommunication, misunderstanding.
No. You wanted it to be in my vlog.
You are the me in that aspect. No?
Say something to my subscribers.
Please subscribe
To our channel.
to your channel
Oh, thank you.
and get more likes.
Thanks.
Pratiksha vlogs. Okay.
Thanks.
How are you feeling to go back Hyderabad?
Excited.
Your home place?
Yes.
You want to go every other day?
Yes, I missed Hyderabad from second day.
Ah.
From second day I was missing like Hyderabad. I love Hyderabad, bro. I don't know. Nothing is there in Hyderabad, but still, Hyderabad is love. Guys, let's go. We are back to this very aesthetic airport. So, when we had arrived, we were down, but now we are on the first floor, I guess. So, we had not seen that Murti thing in between, but now we can see that. It's so beautiful, very beautiful airport. First one is always Bangalore airport for me, but second is this one. It's so good. Guys, we have done our check-in and we came inside the airport. Earlier I told I am a fan of this airport, but no, this airport is a disaster, guys. It says itself as an international airport, but there is no any food stalls or anything. Some random thing we got. Let's check out if we will find something. But near our gate we didn't have anything. We had this she took sandwich, I took this burger, which I'm not sure will be great. Guys, we are so early this time to airport. We are like roaming around the airport because we have a lot of time. Opposite there we took Sprite and hey guys, finally we boarded the flight and I got the window seat, but window is very dirty. And one more interesting fact is this flight is so small. See, only 2 seats, both the sides. First time I'm boarding this type of small flight. What about you? It's so small. It's like this toy. Yeah, it's like a toy plane will be there, no? Like that. It is very small, very cute. Okay, so our flight goes to Bangalore, and from Bangalore we have to change it. It's a 3-hour layover, as I told you guys. So let's start the journey. The thing is, we have to go and eat something in Bangalore.
We haven't had anything.
That burger was not that great though.
Neither was the sandwich.
Is it? Finally, Bengaluru. Namma Bengaluru. Okay, it's so good to be home. But yes, let's go and find something to eat because we are hungry basically. I'm coming after such a long time to T1. Feels so good to be in Bangalore, guys. We are finally eating. So happy. Guys, we had full KFC and still it's left out. And we are here to take some Coke or something because we are not finding her favorite vanilla Coke. So we are done eating and it's 8 o'clock. We have to, our flight is at 9:15. So we still have so much time. I'm confused. I don't know what to drink.
Drink green tea.
Cold drink.
Confused. The most eligible bachelor. That is you and me.
I want to try this. I'm trying this because IPL, yeah, Zero Coke, and full of IPL, this ad was there. So I wanted to give it a try. Great Indian taste. What did you take?
When did you take this? You said not to take.
What did you take?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. You were trying that some weird lemon taste.
Flavor.
You wanna try it? Guys, our flight got delayed for 20 minutes. Oh my god. This trip is a complete adventurous trip for me and for Priya because so many new things are happening with us. We are experiencing a lot of firsts in this trip. The first thing was the way we boarded the flight was way more adventurous thing because we boarded the flight in the last call. You guys might have already watched that. If not, please go and check the previous vlog. And the second one is going to a completely new state where we doesn't know the language, and the way we were having a conversation with the driver was literally very funny, and but still we managed and it was good. And the third thing is the flight which we came from Tirchi to Bangalore. It was such a small flight. I never sat in such a small flight and it looked like a private jet though. And fourth thing is the connecting flight. Never went or traveled in a connecting flight. This is my first time doing this. It was really hectic from arrival to departure. So again, it was like a complete new process. Like we have to come through the main gate, we have to get into check-in, we have to remove everything, whatever is there in our bag. So it was truly very hectic, guys. And the last one, which was not expected, is the delay. Our flight got delayed for 20 minutes. The flight was supposed to come at 9:15 and it delayed for 20 minutes, which is the flight is gonna arrive at 9:35. Completely 100% adventurous trip, and this is gonna be a memorable trip for both of us. Guys, we finally boarded the flight to Hyderabad. I am so excited to go to Hyderabad. Also, I'm very tired. We just have to go and sleep. We are not hungry. We still have our KFC with us. And just the thing is going to Hyderabad and relaxing. That is it. So excited to go to Hyderabad after 4 days. I have landed in Hyderabad and finally we are in Hyderabad. But one more thing happened, which is again the new experience for me. That is, the flight was supposed to land 20 minutes earlier, but because of the traffic congestion in the runway, it got delayed again 20 minutes in the air. So that is also the one of the first experience in my life. So this whole trip is full of new experiences and adventures. So I hope you guys like my video. If you have been watching till now, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please keep supporting and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please share, comment and subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. So thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Stay tuned. Bye bye. Good night.